So sometimes it is very difficult to pick one particular current affair magazine, and sometimes doubt arises, but we should stick on one current affair magazine, and it is very important. Do not go for various kind of current affair magazine book. Please remember that. So hello everyone, this is me Urmi, and I am here today to help you by reviewing Vision IAS Academy current affair book. So let's start the video. So this is Vision IAS Academy current affairs. I have magazine for June and July 2020, and this magazine is very useful, believe me. And see, in this magazine we have the important news along with the detailed notes, and this is very useful for you guys. So you can go for this magazine without any doubt, I am assuring you. So you can see that the book divided by many contents like polity, governance, international relations, economy, science, technology, culture, security, many contents. So like for example, the first news from polity and governance, and the first news is custodial violence. So we have come across the news, right? Two Tamil Nadu fathers on duo. So here first question arises, why in news? Then about custodial violence, legal concern raised in such incidents, then challenges in curbing such incidents, then way forward, conclusion. You can find everything, whichever you need for UPSC point of view, you can find everything here. So you can go for this book without any doubt. So do not waste your time and pick this one. So like the first news, every news have its detailed notes, so you can go for this one. I hope this magazine will help you little but very much. We read newspaper daily, right? Actually we should, it's our duty, but because of short time we need not to read daily current affairs, because of, I already said, short of time, because this is first, and it's sufficient to read monthly current affairs and yearly current affairs. Do not go for daily current affairs because it's a waste of time. So please do newspaper daily, then this book will help you very much. And along with that, I wanted to say you something to you guys, and that is, प्लीज़ फॉलो ईयरली करंट अफेयर बुक्स. अगर आप 2021 के लिए है तो ये बुक बहुत ही अच्छी है, 2020 दिशा करंट अफेयर बुक. सो प्लीज़ फॉलो दिस बुक, ईयरली करंट अफेयर. दिस विल हेल्प यू very much, believe me. I read this book and that is why I am suggesting to you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe कर दो, फ्री है, कोई जाता नहीं है किसी का, तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना प्लीज़, और बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कर देना. थैंक यू गाइस.